Fantasy and adventure games have been around for a long time. Text-based adventures like Colossal Cave Adventure in 1976 to the modern-day Zelda or Final Fantasy series have captivated digital travelers embarking on epic quests for heroics and treasures. Today I will try to create a simple adventure game that pays tribute to the Atari 2600 classic Adventure.
So to get started, we're going to use Construct 3, which is a game engine. You can try it for free, and you don't even need an account to play around with it. So at Construct.net, I go to Try Now. I'll click on Launch the Guided Tour. No thanks, not now. And we're ready to get this thing rolling. Alright, here we go. Adventure, sort of. Alright, so we go up here. We can't get into that castle. Using my directions on the keyboard. I'm holding down spacebar, it's not working. Now when I run into the water and I press that, now I can shoot water. If you're doing this with students, you can also, and I would encourage you to save on your school keyboards, set up a timer so that while the keyboard is down for every X seconds, then it fires, so that way you don't have people breaking your keyboards by pushing the button so fast. But for this testing phase, it's just right. I'm gonna go up here. Oh, there's nothing in here. Oh my gosh, there's a dragon. Alright, there's the key. Got the key from the dragon. Go back down through the maze and see if we can get into the castle. You win the game. And would you look at that, when you're done, you even get a little bit of free roam to explore this vast kingdom.
We have successfully made an adventure game in the spirit of Atari's Adventure in under 25 events. I suggest that you go to Construct.net and give it a try yourself. We have plenty of lines and events to spare. So just like Frodo told Sam, the last pages are for you. I want to see what kind of improvements you can make to the game, whether it be graphics, events, missions, treasures, or even Easter eggs. Create your own adventure and share it with our community. I will include a link in the description that takes you to my GitHub page so you can download my saved file in case you need it. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and leave comments below if you want. This is Brandon from codePetersen, signing out.